Goddess Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and today we're combining two of my favorite things, narrated stories, true crime, and nail tutorials. In a quiet town, nestled deep in the woods, there was a rumor that every October, the last house on Willow Street would light up with jack-o'-lanterns, though no one lived there. Curious and drawn to the eerie glow, a group of friends decided to visit the house one chilly Halloween night. As they approached, the air grew colder and the wind whispered their names. One by one, the jack-o'-lanterns flickered to life, casting sinister shadows on the walls. Inside, the house was eerily pristine, as if someone had just left. On the dining table, 5 plates were set with name cards, each bearing the names of the friends. A chill ran down their spines, and as they turned to leave, the door slammed shut. A soft voice echoed through the house, "We've been waiting for you. Dinner's ready. Thanks for sticking around for this nail tutorial while we dive into some intriguing stories." If you enjoyed this blend of beauty and narrated stories, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our unique content. Share your nail art results and favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.